Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome here if you are new. In today's video, we are going to be creating a very own personalized desktop background picture for my laptop. I've seen a few people do this, specifically Ava Jules. She did this on her vlog channel the other day and it came out so cute and it really inspired me to make one of my own, and I was thinking why not turn it into a video because it might be super fun. What we're going to be doing is just browsing through Pinterest, browsing through my personal photos just to look for cute artsy photos that can be put into a little cute collage that I can look at when I open my laptop. I don't want to bore you guys with the long intro, so I'm going to get right into today's video. So I'm gonna let you guys on my screen so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm on Pinterest right now and I've already started pinning like random things that I want to add to my like background, but I'm kind of just going through and like looking at the screen that they're showing me. So I like this one that says trust the universe. That one's cool. So I'm gonna save this to a different board. I'm gonna make a new board for desktop background. Oops, I spelled background wrong. Okay, I'm just gonna go home and then search like aesthetic. Not clothes. Just cute things that might look cool. Okay, I'm just like looking through my Pinterest obviously right now, and how cute is this bathing suit? It's a Burberry bathing suit. It's probably like $1,000, but oh, I'm obsessed with it. One day I will have it. Manifestation right there at its finest. And also I was just looking through this little board I have, and look at this like cozy little Christmassy house. That makes me so happy. I love Christmas time. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. Oh, let me just show you guys, since we're here, what we've got so far. Alright, so here's what I have so far. It's not obviously in the correct positioning that I want it to be, but these are the few things I have. I have a picture of me because I like it, and why not? And I think it all looks really cute together. I like the little pink theme we've got going. I love pink, so I'll probably just keep going with that. I'm gonna keep going. I made a quick little snack break because I'm getting hungry. This is actually really fun. I'm actually enjoying doing this. It's very like relaxing. But I want to show you guys what we're working with. So here's what I have so far. I mean, it's not that different from what you guys saw before. This picture right here, I took that myself, I think, on the highway last summer or something. And then obviously that's my picture, but everything else is from Pinterest. I'm gonna go through my pictures and try to find some of my own pictures to throw in here, and then I will get back to you guys. Okay guys, I just finished the layout. I love it so much. I'm so excited to show you guys. Hold on. Here it is. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this. So let me just lay it all out for you guys. So I'll just start from the left. So I just liked this quote because it's motivational. That's literally it. This one I took myself, like I said. This little old car I saw on Pinterest, obviously, and I thought it was so cute. I wanted this theme of this to be like yellows, oranges, blues, and pinks. So as you can see that there's a lot of that everywhere. So I just wanted to add some more blue to the side. And then down here I have some daisies. I like this quote because, you know, it's just inspirational to make every day count. This, I looked up vintage on Pinterest, and a vintage little makeup storage thing came up, and I thought it was so cute since obviously I'm into makeup and I'm a makeup artist, so I thought that was perfect. This is just a photo of me that I took last week with a sunflower. I thought it was cute to put in there. This is just a little picture of clouds. I think clouds are really pretty. This little setup, the Chanel, I just really like the way it looks. It's very like elegant and girly, and I like that. And it's also motivational because one day I will have Chanel items. This little bike picture I saw on Pinterest, and I thought it was just super cute, and I thought it fit well because it had the oranges and the blues. This picture of the legs and sneakers, that's me last summer in I think Nick's car, or maybe in my Jeep, I can't remember. But I really love those sneakers that I have, so I thought that was cute. Old ways won't open new doors. That's just a kind of a reminder to me to constantly be trying new things and not get stuck in old patterns that, you know, just to always keep moving forward. This is actually like a picture of a doorway. I think it's in like, I don't know where it is. It's like some pretty place. I thought it was just pretty and it looked cute there. Okay, wait, this needs to be moved up like that. Okay, boom. That's better. This just says, just enjoy where you are now. And I really like that because sometimes I can definitely get in a pattern of thinking where I just think about the future and I'm not really enjoying the process of getting to where I want to be. So that's a good little reminder. This is just some flowers I thought looked cute there. This is a little pink phone, and this phone kept popping up on my Pinterest all over it, and I was like, do I want to put that in? But then I was like, you know what, it's kind of motivational because I want, this is kind of random, but I want my podcast to be an advice podcast where people can call in eventually, and that's kind of like a little motivational thing, like a phone. I don't know, it just, in my head it works. Up here we have a pretty picture of sunflowers that I saw on Pinterest, and I just thought added a nice pop of blue to the right side of the screen. This is another picture of me. It's one of my favorite ones. Just me sipping my pink drink, just being me, you know. And then lastly, on the bottom right, we have a picture that I took a few years ago in Captiva Island in Florida. That is my favorite place in the whole world, and I just love it there, and it makes me happy. Okay. So this is the layout. I'm gonna add in some of my own little writing. So right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take out my iPad, I'm gonna go into Procreate, I'm gonna keep this image, and I'm gonna add in some cute little words across the screen. Okay, I just finished up. I added like 2 words in, and now I wanna show you guys the final product. So I'm about to make it my desktop screen. It looks so cute. Oh, I love it. I'm so excited. Honestly, like looking at that as opposed to like a boring background picture is so much better. Okay guys, that is going to be it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed a little process of me creating my desktop background picture. When I was editing this video, I just found a little flaw in the desktop picture. I'll put it on the screen. If you can see, there's like a little white line where that vintage makeup thing is. And I didn't notice that until right now, and I have no idea how I didn't catch that. It was because when I was writing the words in my Procreate app on my iPad, sometimes it can be touchy and it will like make little dots and stuff that I don't even realize are there. Usually I catch them. I don't know how I didn't, but I just fixed it. So I will be uploading it to my computer because, you know what? It doesn't have to be perfect, but like little things like that, now that I know it's there, it's gonna irritate me. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope you have a great day or night, whatever time it is when you are watching this. I will see you this Thursday with a brand new video. Bye.